Figma just dropped an update that could change how product teams actually build and ship. In one move, they added more connector partners like Amplitude, Box, Haymarvin, Dovetail, and ZeroHeight, and more importantly, they now let you build your own custom connectors. That second part is the real story. Because once you can build custom connectors, Figma Make stops being just a design tool feature, it becomes workflow infrastructure. Let's break down what Figma actually posted. They announced two things. First, more built-in connectors with popular tools used across research, analytics, docs, and product operations. Second, and this is the big one, support for custom connectors. Which means you are no longer blocked by whatever integrations come pre-bundled. This is the shift from choose from a menu to define your own system. And if you have ever hit an integration wall in a no-code or AI workflow tool, you know exactly why this matters. Most teams don't fail because of ideas. They fail because data is scattered across 12 tools and none of them talk cleanly. Design has one truth. Product has another. Support has another. Analytics has another. What connectors solve is not just convenience, they solve coordination. When your design workflow can pull real context from analytics, research notes, knowledge systems, and custom internal tools, your decisions become faster and better. Fewer assumptions. Fewer meetings. Fewer expensive product mistakes. Here are practical workflows this unlocks immediately. Pull top drop-off events from analytics directly into your design review context. Pull user interview insights from research tools and map recurring pain points to UI updates. Sync design decisions to documentation automatically so implementation teams stay aligned. Connect internal APIs like feature flags, pricing metadata, experiment states, or support tags directly into your product design workflow. This is where MCP-style thinking becomes powerful. You stop asking what integrations exist and start asking what context should this workflow have. Imagine a product manager and designer reviewing onboarding conversion. Normally they jump between analytics dashboards, docs, call transcripts, and Figma. With connector-driven workflow, that context can be assembled in one place before they even start editing. Now instead of debating opinions, they are reacting to live evidence. Where users drop. What users say. What support is seeing. What experiments are active. That compresses decision cycles massively. This is how fast teams create compounding advantage, not by doing more work, but by reducing context switching. And the community is already picking up on the real significance here. One product builder called this a win for workflow automation, saying, quote, adding heavy hitters like Amplitude and Dovetail makes Figma Make feel like a true central nervous system for product data. The real game changer is the ability to build custom connectors via MCP that opens the door for a completely new category of integrations. Another developer immediately jumped to the custom connector architecture, excited about custom connectors. Once variables and systems are structured properly, this opens up serious automation potential. Someone else cut straight to the point and just asked, can I directly connect Claude into it? Which honestly is the right question. The answer, based on the MCP architecture, is yes. You can. And that is exactly why this matters so much for teams already using AI in their product workflows. Quick reality check, connectors can also create chaos if your data model is messy. If your naming conventions, source of truth rules, or permissions are bad, automation just scales confusion. So if you want to use this well, do three things. 1. Define one source of truth for each key metric or domain. 2. Standardize naming and taxonomy across tools. 3. Start with one high-value workflow before automating everything. Do that, and this update becomes leverage, not noise. Zoom out for a second. What Figma is building here is not a feature update. It is a category shift. The design tool is becoming the connective tissue of the product development stack. Think about what that means. If Figma can be the place where design decisions are made with live data context from every tool in your stack, the question becomes, why would you open anything else? This is the same playbook Notion ran with databases, and Slack ran with integrations. The tool that becomes your workflow hub wins. Next,